Hey guys, welcome back to Her Home Is, and if this is your first time tuning in, welcome. Now you guys, in today's video, we are getting the living room set back up after Christmas. Now you guys, to save my voice because your girl is still under the weather, I'm going to just let you watch what we're doing. I will have a sponsorship inside of this video. Make sure you guys check that out. And to you guys, we're on that road to that 10K. Please share the channel with your family and friends. Your girl appreciate it so much. Make sure you're coming back so that you can catch all of the things that we're going to be doing in this season. If you're anything like me, you know how messy cords can get when you're cleaning, decorating, or just trying to keep your home looking beautiful. Honestly, nothing throws off a fresh space like a pile of tangled cords. That's why I was super excited to partner with Enutict for today's video, because their extension cord wall cover outlet is such a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. It's designed to keep your outlets and cords covered, tidy, while safe, still being super easy to use. I love that it blends right in with my home without looking bulky. Little upgrades like this are all about creating a calm, clutter-free home. When I walk into the space, I don't want my eyes to go straight to messy cords. Enutict does sell on Amazon as well. I'm going to put their link down in that description, so you guys make sure you do check them out. Watch how easy this is. I just pop that cover right over my outlet, and instantly it looks much cleaner. No more exposed cords hanging everywhere, and it actually keeps things safer too, especially if you have pets or kids, or you're constantly moving things around when decorating like I do. Plus, the slim design does still make it easier to push furniture up against the wall without worrying about bending the cord. Once again, check out that link. Now back to the video.